Do you want to learn accents? I just created a course. £10, around 13 US dollars a month. You learn 4 accents a month. We practice American and British every month, and then there's every other week there's a different accent, like Scottish or Irish or Cockney or whatever. It is called the Accent Practice Sessions. It is linked in my bio, and it's a really great community. I mean, we have people from all over the world, all learning different accents. It's just a fantastic place to come and work with other actors or non-actors. There's all sorts of people there. So if that's what you'd like to do, you'd like to learn a different accent, just have a play around with it. It's really good fun, and I've made it cheap enough for everybody to enjoy it. So yeah, if that's what you'd like to do, if you'd like to learn an accent or two, then head over to my website, actorsaccentcoach.com, and it's called the Accent Practice Sessions. I'll see you there.